Contentless. The Cloudcrafter headless CMS solution tailored for the iGaming industry is enhanced by a sophisticated AI-driven engine. In this video, we will show how to seamlessly transform a traditional lobby into an AI-driven recommender system, empowering your users to effortlessly discover products tailored to their preferences. To streamline the process, simply switch the lobby to utilize one of the pre-configured smart views on the platform, and specify the desired number of recommendations for the user. Your lobby is now enhanced with AI-driven recommendations, and every individual user will receive tailor-made recommendations. You can easily turn off AI recommendations in a lobby with just a few clicks, and the lobby will seamlessly revert to using the default games configured for the lobby. All users will now receive the same list of games that are statically configured within the lobby, and which will also serve as a fallback list of games in case the recommender service is unavailable. By harnessing a robust filtering and promotion engine, you can transform every lobby of your system into an intelligent recommender, offering a meticulously curated array of products to your users. Our platform provides a pre-configured, curated list of smart views tailored to the most common use cases, while also enabling you to create custom smart views to align with your specific needs and requirements. Thank you for watching the first video of our AI and ML series, dedicated to AI-driven recommendation to enhance user personalization.